Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload files in ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT first. Now you have to just open a new tab here, plus sign, and right here ChatGPT file extended. Click on the first link and you will find this extension ChatGPT sidebar and file uploader. Just add to Chrome, add extension, and you'll find it here. After it downloaded, go here and select that what you have downloaded now, ChatGPT. Where's that? Okay, let me check. Hold on. Okay, this one, ChatGPT sidebar and file. Just pin it here so you can find it here. Now what you're going to do is go to ChatGPT, click on this, and you can just refresh it once. Now you'll find here the option, upload option. Click on this, then it will come your computer screen. Choose any file you want to upload like this, and just open, and file will be uploaded like this. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.